Our today topic is WordPress theme installation. Please subscribe my channel. Now we have start for this. We require the WordPress to install app. Not install, then first you have to install it. I have already downloaded the WordPress setup. For this, you can now see the WordPress installation also. Here is the installation file. First you have to unzip it. After unzip, rename according to your project name, and after this you require a database. For this you have to start the server. For local I have installed the XAMPP. So now open the XAMPP control panel and start the Apache and MySQL. Now go to browser and type localhost phpMyAdmin to create a database for my project. Go to database and create then with the same name w theme and create. After this, now go to localhost slash w theme folder of WordPress. After unzip there, create a WordPress folder inside this folder. So copy these files and cut and paste here in the root of the WP theme. After this, remove the WordPress folder, which is also already empty because all the files are cut and paste beyond this. This is a very simple process and I have explained very deeply to easily understand, and you can easily configure these things. If you have any problem in this, you can send me comment. I will definitely explain it. Now refresh it. Here is the installation process. I have select the English and then continue. Let's go. Here you can type the database name, which is w theme. For localhost username is root and there's no password, and then submit. Run the installation. Type the name for your project. Here I can e-commerce site. Username for the access of the admin WordPress. Here's the password. Copy the password and enter the email. And after that you will log in it. The username is admin and paste here the password that you have copied and log in. You will accessible the admin panel of the WordPress. If you have opened the WordPress admin panel, go to appearance and then select the theme option and select the theme you have to install. To selection, click the install button and installation process is started. It take a little bit time. If you click the live preview, you will see the theme and activate it. After activation, there is a list of plugins that you want to install. First, you select all the option and click the installation button and apply now. After apply, they will install one by one all the plugins that are required for this. But there is a one important plugin which is a one-click demo import. Through this, we can import all the data relevant to this theme provided by the theme provider. I will explain it after the installation how to import the data. You can watch this video till end, and if you can have any issue, then please write there in the chat bar in the comments that I will explain definitely. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel to watch all the latest videos that I have uploaded. After all the plugins are completed, 10 out of 12 plugins are installed, 2 plugins are remaining. They will take some time. One plugin is remaining, and after the plugin process is complete, now you will need to activate all the plugins. Click here to activate. After the plugins are activated, you go to plug you go to parents and import demo data and click the import your data and continue. They will take some time and import all the data related to this theme from the backup folder. Here's complete import and visit the site. Our site is ready. Now the next process is that to upload the images of all the products. If you not require these products, just go to admin product and remove all the products and upload your own products. In my next video, I will show you how to customize the slider, its title and images, etc., and how to upload the product and or update the product or upload the images, and some customization soon will be available the next video. Thank you. If you like my video, please subscribe.